So children, hello, how are you? Doing well or no? Everything is alright for you in class? You are not coming, but then also I'm sure you are happy at home and doing your work sincerely. So all of y'all have y'all have done the second lesson, the exercises. I hope y'all have completed, and now you see the third lesson has already come. So don't be very fast. Not necessary to complete everything in a hurry. Do everything normally, because still there is time for you when school starts. Till then you do it slowly, but write neatly and nicely. So before I start get into this lesson, I want to ask you some questions. That where y'all are living. Y'all will say, some will say Sonadi, some will say Baloda Bazaar, but okay, you are living in something is giving you shelter, isn't it? What is that thing which is giving you shelter? A roof over your head, your house. Now, we are living in different types of houses. And all these modern houses, what you are living in, some of you are maybe living in village, some in cities, in different places you have got your house, your relatives, your grandparents, everywhere where you must have seen different types of houses. No? But have you ever thought from where this house concept began? From where did it begin? From somewhere it had an origin, definitely, and that only we are going to read in this lesson, about from where it started and now what type of houses we are having in different places. So first, before I take up the whole lesson, let me tell you something about the ancient man when he lived. When he started living on this earth, when he came onto this earth, he also needed shelter. That time he did not know what house is, but then also he protected himself from somewhere or the other. He took shelter and protected himself from cold, rain, wind, and even wild animals, from the heat. Now, let's go to that place which early man took shelter. We will find this place in Bhimbetka Rock Shelters. Bhimbetka Rock Shelters is in Madhya Pradesh, and it is during the ancient Stone Age. Stone Age period is that period when man used things made out of stone. All the tools that he used for cutting, chopping, digging, he used the stone tools. So that's why that period is known as Stone Age. So that those rock shelters, what is a rock? Very big piece of stone. We have seen small stones, but very big, like hill sort of stones, no, but very hard, unbreakable. You cannot break it unless you don't blast it or something. That stone is known as rock. So these rock shelters are still prevalent in the Bhimbetka. If you go there, you will be able to see the paintings inside what the early man had drawn. Still those paintings are there, and these were the permanent shelters. They lived there for many years in those shelters, and they are over 9,000 years old. How old? 9,000 years old they are. And how many shelters they are? They are 700 in number, with 400 paintings. If you see the net, into the net, when you go into the net and you click and you see the Bhimbetka rock shelters about it, you will come to know what type of images they had drawn and how many human images, how many animals, all these things you will see on these the walls of the cave. So in the when the rocks are like this, inside there is an opening, no? That portion where they used to take the shelter inside that opening, that is the cave. I will show you the pictures also of all the caves and all, and you will come to know about them more, that how they lived inside those caves. So when you go to these rock shelters, they give us a lot of information about the early man when they lived there. The information about their life, what all tools they used, and whatever things like they used for hunting the animals. They made a spear, so that was also made of stone only, and then they made something to cut, to chop, or to do some sort of grinding and cooking and all such type of things they used with the stone tools only. These are the stone tools and implements that early man used. I will show you all the tools also, and you will come to know. So the discovery of these caves has linked us to the prehistoric man. Prehistoric means before, when we started writing, the historians started writing the history, no, then only we came to know about the man, no? But before the historians wrote, that period also we come to know, because that time nobody knew about, no evidence is there about them. But seeing these things, the tools, how and other things, the paintings and all, and whatever findings we are getting by digging, that only we come to know about that man when he lived there during the ancient time. So I'll just stop for a while and again take up this topic, and I will show you many things about the ancient man.